I will not. I will not. Oh, damn, I did. Oh!
Hello.
Okay, so you know how that, okay, I know I wasn't trying to get to you, but you know how that truck honked?
Yeah?
Yeah, it's because we were doing the whole, we're having a good ride thing.
Oh.
And I think he assumed that, that we wanted the, horn honk.
Just change lanes here.
Alright, sorry. Anyways,
That's alright, baby.
I'm gonna go to mom.
Alright, you go and talk to your mum.
Alright, so I was trying to beep into Shea because when she had her hand up doing the woohoo, a semi-truck passed us.
Mother.
Did you hear the semi-truck honk at you? Oh my god!
We were just sitting here doing the whole good thing, and then I started wrinkling my wrist around, and all of a sudden, and I'm like, what?
I was doing it too, so he must have thought we wanted him to honk the horn, but that was awesome. I like that.
Awesome.
I was like, that's almost as cool as the train.
I like how almost as cool. I mean, if it was another train, then that would have been great, but still.
That was awesome, that train conductor. I wish we had cameras back then.
Me too.
That would have been awesome.
Oh, I mean, we have that one video of when we went to Dodson.
What, when we went to Dodson, where?
Huh?
When we went to Dodson, when?
Yeah, when we went to Dodson to go get the ice cream.
And we ended up just getting a sandwich. Jeebus saved my fry.
Still, that was fucking funny.
That was freaking funny. Were you talking to Dad?
Yeah, I accidentally buzzed Dad because I accidentally clicked it twice, and then I got to Dad.
I was trying to beep into you, and I was like, crap, she must be talking to Dad. I was like, man!
I was trying to beep to you, but I accidentally clicked it twice and got Dad, and I'm like, who do I have?
What did Dad think about the
Dad thought it was funny. I got 100.
Oh, nope, I got to 99, so I'm going to eat Dad's ass.
I got up to 99, which is why I slowed down a bit, but then I picked it back up just so I could get to 100.
Shit. I almost hit 100. I was at 99. Damn it!
99, take this!
I was like, oh no, I'm going to eat Dad's ass. Damn it.
So boom, 199. I'm better than you.
You're better than me. You didn't have Dad's ass in your way.
Huh?
You didn't have Dad's ass in your way. Seems like every time I try to get up to 100,
Yeah.
somebody's in my way.
Yeah.
It's usually your dad or Melissa.
Dad's normally in my way.
That's okay.
Yeah.
I'm okay with 99.
I'm okay with 100.
How are you now? Dad doesn't think that bike can get to 100. It did.
I'm gonna go back and listen to music.
Aww.
I love you.
Do you?
I love you.
Shea?
Yeah.
Boobs to tank. Boobs to tank.
Do what?
Boobs to tank.
Boobs the tank.
I did it.
You did it.
I did it.
Boobs the tank.
Daddy's pacing us.
Yeah, Daddy's loving you. He's like, look at my sexy woman.
Now dance for him.
Huh?
Dance for him. You challenged her.
I challenged her to what?
You challenged her, so now she's doing the same thing you did.
Good, then we can all get on camera.
She's like, I feel like I'm being challenged. I feel like I'm being challenged. She hit 100.
Does she?
Yeah, I hit 99, and then I was going to eat your ass, so I had to back down. I was trying to hit 100.
I didn't know we were doing in like 90s.
Well, me and Shea kind of got a little behind there.
Yeah. Did not realise that we were going fast. Did not realise that at all. Don't tell me you can't hear me.
Look at my beautiful mama. And she's so pretty. I love her.
You two need to start hitting 100 now to get up here.
Sorry, I was just fucking with Shea.
Oh, okay. Oh, she's coming up. Quick
Yeah,
time.
she is.
She needs
I keep seeing all these white vehicles and black SUVs, and I'm thinking, oh God, I'm gonna get busted.
Nah, you're not.
I'm gonna go to jail. We're gonna take it, one of the two.
But it's nice to like open her up and get a bit of speed in there. But I promise you, I didn't even notice that like we were heading like 90s.
Yeah. Well, kind of. I mean, you had to have at least hit 90 when you were going up to see Tom and Melissa.
Yeah.
Because me and Shea were already doing like 85.
I didn't even know what I was doing. This bike, you just don't know what speed you're doing.
Well, we're doing about 10 miles an hour over the speed limit, so...
Yeah.
Alright.
Well, we must be doing about 17 now.
I love you.
I love you too.
Really?
Really and truly. Absolutely.
Absolutely honest?
Without a shadow of doubt.
Not even a tiny shadow?
With no ounce of doubt.
Good, because I love you more than that.
Bollocks.
There's no
That's
bollocks
a
to it.
huge, throbbing, veiny erection of a lie.
Bullshit. Mine's purple, so there.
That's a purple-headed bullshit.
Hi. Yes! Yes!
He gave her a honk. That was awesome.